Hi, my name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services out of Seminole, Florida. I've been in the business in the finance world for over 25 years. The question today is, how do I become a certified credit counselor? Well, in today's environment, that could be a very good position to get. Very simply, to become a certified credit counselor, you're going to have to take schools. Now, my suggestion is you really should decide who you'd want to work for or work with. Most good credit counseling companies out there today are nonprofits. So if you have one close by or you've been thinking about it, I would approach them first. They might have a school that they can put you through, and they might carry the cost. The other place you would go look for these type of courses is obviously go to your state home website. They should list every college and every course that's out there. Check with your local community college, see if they're offering these. It's a growing industry, so that course is popping up more and more places. Look around, but as always, make sure that whatever school or whatever course you're attending, make sure that it's recognized by the industry. Make sure that it's legitimate and registered with your state. And more importantly, make sure the companies that you would be working for are willing to take graduates from that course. My name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services, and always we're here to help you build true wealth.